In this video, we're going to quickly touch on a few library basics, as well as learn how to use the catalog and some databases. We've been over basic checkout information already, but you can also check out calculators, electronic cords, and headphones for 2 hours at the circulation desk. We also offer umbrellas for 24-hour checkout. We're going to learn how to use Primo, our catalog. First, go to ngu.libguides.com. In this main box, you can do a quick search, or you can click this link and go directly to the catalog. It's best to sign in with the same credentials that you use for your NGU email so you can use all the features of Primo, especially saving search results. Once you're signed in, you can also renew your loans and make requests. When you search with Primo, you search in this big box. However, if that simple search is not giving you enough results, or it's giving you too many, you can use the advanced search located here. You can search by title, keyword, author, and subject. You can also pick which kind of material you want to see results for, like journals or books, and you can set a date range. You can also use the catalog to save searches and results. I'm going to search for Harry Potter. So I want to look at ones that are on our shelf, so I'm going to click Held by Library. If I click this pushpin icon, I can save the result to my account and find it easily the next time I'm looking for it. You can also save the search itself by clicking this pushpin icon. If the library doesn't have what you want on the shelf, don't worry. We have ways of getting you what you need. First, you can request the book from another academic library in South Carolina right from Primo. Instead of searching from the Hester Library catalog, simply click this arrow and scroll down to Other Pascal Libraries and search. Once you find a result, click the title to get more information. Find the section titled Get It and click the Request button. You'll fill out a form and submit it. Once the material comes in, our reference librarian will let you know. If we still don't have access to it after we look through all the other Pascal libraries, there are still more options. If it's not in Primo, you can request it through interlibrary loan, and our reference librarian will try to find it for you. Another option students should know that they have is the ability to get a Greenville County Public Library card using your NGU address. Moving on from the catalog, we're going to discuss databases and finding journal articles. Some general notes. On our database A to Z page, which we will see just in a minute, you can limit databases by subject area. Some databases cover more than one subject, and they are called multidisciplinary. One good example of this is Academic Search Complete. When you do a database search, as we will in a minute, you are searching a lot of journals all at once. If you are looking for some general help with a topic, it is good to start with Credo reference. We're going to go back to Primo. You can actually use Primo to search for journals. When you search, simply search for articles instead of in the Hester Memorial Library catalog. I'm going to search for sleep deprivation. Instead of using other Pascal libraries or the Hester Library catalog, I'm going to click Articles. Now I've gotten a lot of results, so I'm going to apply limits on the left side. I'm going to make sure that I click Available Online and peer-reviewed journals. I can also, if I want to, set a publication date range and look for resource types and more. Then click Apply Filter, and that has narrowed the results. You may like searching for articles this way, but you may prefer using the databases directly. So let's head to our database A to Z page. This is where you can find all the databases and narrow them by subject. We'll use Academic Search Complete as it covers a lot of subjects. Sign in with your NGU credentials if asked to. Let's do the same search, sleep deprivation. Before you click search, make sure that you click that you want results with full text and results from scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. You can set a date range and choose what kind of publications you want results from. I want periodicals, which include journals. Next, click search. Here are the results. On the left side, you can see that I have options to refine the results that I may wish to use. I can also do an advanced search and use more keywords. At the top bar, there's an option to sign in. Just like with Primo, if I sign in, I can save my search results and make them easier to find later. You may not recall which keywords you use to find a certain article, so being able to save your results is very helpful. Many databases offer citation help. Use of this feature can be helpful, but it can also be risky because the citations are not always correct. However, it is very important to cite your work. When should you cite? You should cite when you are directly quoting someone else's work, when you are summarizing someone else's work, when you are paraphrasing someone else's work. So here are some tips. When you find an article you'd like to use, check out its works cited list. Often you can find additional relevant sources. When you search, use Boolean operators and or not capitalized like that. These will give you more accurate search results. Make life easier for future you. Create accounts, sign in, and save your results and articles. You'll be able to find what you need later much more easily. Check out our Information Literacy LibGuide for more help through the research process. And don't forget, you can request articles through Interlibrary Loan. One last thing, you still may need some help. Please visit the reference desk or email reference@ngu.edu to get answers to your questions. You can also call 977-7094 to speak to reference.